everyone, it's Andrew from Yellowknife Sport Fishing, and we're out on Cam Lake again today. It's a cold one, and my eyes are watering because the cold wind is blowing right in my eyes. So I'll try to make this short and sweet. Out here for some walleye, pike, and whitefish. Hopefully we'll get into some fish, keep you guys entertained. Lots of people out here today. I got myself and a bunch of people that I am friends with. They're kind of out on their own, put up their tents, kind of fishing all in the same area. So hopefully myself and all the rest of the people, we're getting to some fish, and hopefully we get some good videos, pictures, whatever, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I'm all set up, but I have been fishing for a little bit, just kind of got carried away. I've seen some marks on the screen, got excited, threw my lines down, ended up landing 3 smaller pike, but anyways, they were on the screen, I got excited, caught them, and now I've got a chance to say hello again, and hopefully things continue the way they're going and get into some walleye and some whitefish and some big pike, hopefully. Try and make it entertaining for you guys. If I don't catch fish, hopefully someone else catches fish, and I'll try and get some pictures and stuff for you guys to share. So, oh, there we go. So that guy hovering around the rock edge. Decent pike. Oh, he's off. Oh, skinny dink. Here we go. Give you guys an idea of what I'm using. This is the Northlands eyeball jig with a little stinger hook on it. So one side's glow in the dark, and the other side's got this fancy 3D looking eyeball on it. Little treble hook on it, and then the stinger on the bottom, treble as well. And I just hook up a minnow on there, and it seems to work pretty good. Check the over there. The last video got 20. It's like 2,500 likes. Off a rod. Well, that was a little bit of a rookie move. Went outside the tent to go talk to some people and left my rod on the dead stick holder, and go figure that a fish comes along and bites it. Almost pulled the rod in the hole. Good thing it didn't. I think because of the holder, and I had a chair kind of holding it down a little bit too, so kind of lucked out on that one. So this is me eating a little bit of humble pie. On Friday, me and 2 of my other guides went out side by side to go fishing on another lake. This lake I go to all the time. Normally I'm already fishing that lake this time of year. Very familiar with the trail system that it's on. And it's a mix of trails to the woods, on some small little lakes and ponds, through some marsh kind of stuff, and then on some bigger lakes. It's from town, maybe 15 minutes, not very long. About 5 minutes into the trip, basically cracked through some super thin ice, and just starting spot out one of the ponds, and got stuck really bad. I've got a few pictures that I could share with you, pop them up on the screen here, let people know what's going on, and just to be safe out there. Like, obviously we got the side-by-side out, so I'm still using it. There wasn't any damage to it as well, which I'm super thankful for. Had a lot of help, you know, from some friends, the guys that were with me. You know, buddy Jamie Stringer showed up with his Kubota, helped pull me out. Polar Tech, they sent a couple guys out as well with a four-wheeler quad with a winch, a portable gas-powered winch, chainsaws, a mechanic. You know, it was great to have them out helping and got me out of the mess that I was in. So yeah, just be careful out there. I know up here we've experienced over the last year super high water levels, and obviously that changes things a lot. You know, you have areas that don't normally have flowing water that now have flowing water, which is the main reason why I think I broke through the ice, is that normally there's not flowing water there, and this year that there is. You know, I probably could have done a little bit more due diligence and checking before I went out side by side, but it is what it is. You know, I got out of it okay, the guys got out of it okay, got the side-by-side out, no problem. Well, I shouldn't say no problem, it took us 5 hours, but got it out without it being damaged or broken. So yeah, just be safe. Oh, I don't know, it's gonna be a walleye. Nope, just a pike. Came up after this thing like, well, they would. Oh, Jesus, snap my line. Oh, bugger. Got my lure in his mouth. Okay, I want that back. Another dink. Ah, mother. Lost it. I'm still there. There we go. He came back. Awesome. Awesome. I have no idea what this is. Probably a pike. That's pretty aggressive. Yeah. Another pike. Another dink. There we go. Not so bad. See? In you go. Alright, or not. Down the hole and swam back up the hole. Well, caught lots of small pike. Not really what I was hoping for, but it is what it is. At least we still caught some fish. Didn't get skunked. Too bad we couldn't get any walleye or whitefish, but it's the way she goes. So maybe next week I want to head out, have some better luck, and get into some better fish to show you guys, and show off a little bit of the. Actually, oh geez, okay, never mind. What do we got? Signing off and hook onto a fish. All right, huge whitefish. All right. Okay. Well, at least got a whitefish. So, anyways, size of this puppy. Big old brute. I've got the measuring board here, so I'll do a quick measure. Just so this whitefish here, 22 inches long. Anyways. Go again. These 22-inch whitefish. Good way to end the day off. Maybe I'll try setting off again, and maybe I'll get another fish. Who knows? But anyways, there we go. See everyone later. We'll be out again next weekend. Hopefully we'll get some better fish to show everybody. But I'm still pretty happy with this one because it's huge.